Rahubat, greetings. Ranani Kawun Nahasinan Amun. I am a student teacher of the master teacher, Pānabab Yanun, also known as the Sovereign Grand Commander, His Excellency, Dr. Malachi Z.K. York Okran, 33 degrees over 720 degrees. Before I begin with this update, we true Nuwaubian Sabaeans let it be known that the master teacher, Dr. Malachi Z.K. York Okran, is innocent, and all the charges and allegations brought against him are false, and he is about to come home and be amongst us physically again. This is an update given to us by Pānabab Yanun. For those who care, let them hear. Rahubat. 1. To simply answer your question, if you are a part of a sacred order or a part of a bookstore, as most Sabaeans are supposed to be a part of, which does not bound you by location, but communication to your local center, and which distributes the good news of Pānabab Yanun's words and mine in this hereafter. These centers will be the first to be updated on the latest legal updates. This does not mean that you will not be able to find out pertinent information from other sources. 2. On June 25th, 2020, the world was updated by the sisters in a recent video from the Master's Words to the Tribe. To gain access to this video, tap on the link posted in my channel's description. 3. I mentioned on the last call that you want to get active with your sacred order if you want certain updates, and that has been extended to the bookstores now for all Sabaeans. Get active and stop making excuses. Active does not mean be at the location, but to participate. AEO Constitution. 4. As I mentioned earlier, there are particular things that Baba wants the tribe to do to help him that will be sent out to the stores and then to the tribe, and how to go about doing it with specific instructions. This way, we all can do what he wants for him and not others' ideas of what they think he wants. Many doors are opening. Let's not let another close because of our dislikes of each other. 5. There are things that you would not imagine that has taken place to sabotage Baba's freedom over the last 18 years. So it is imperative to make sure that we do not jeopardize his freedom out of ignorance. There are people right here in this group that are not for Baba Yanun's freedom. The federal agents listen to our national call, waiting to say Baba did this and that to try and create new ways to put him on longer restrictions as they have done in these last 5 years. I know it may be difficult to understand this, but it's very real and true. We do not know who's who. That's why Baba Yanun set up AEO, Lodge, OES, etc., and create Mukhan, Mirat, Pamaprar, and Pamakdash to have a place where Sabaean Nuwaubians can meet and share information. If you are far away from a store, then you have to make connection to the nearest one to your location. It's where you get Baba's words from. He never stopped giving us the good news, doctrine in this day and times. There are so many Sabaeans in all areas that can help or update you on so much. We are supposed to be interconnected in many ways. That's why we are musar, sticky. You should be able to tap your brothers, sisters, and or elders' shoulder and ask, what's happening with Baba's freedom? Legal and through the grapevine should know. That's how we keep the devil confused as to how we move and connect. Unfortunately, we do not speak our language fluent enough to send that frequency out to the tribe where only we can know what we are saying to each other. Pānabab Yanun.